Hello viewers, welcome to Linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install WebID on Linuxmint 3. WebID is an open source action script written in the popular language PHP, which is a massive collection of inbuilt features, and then WebID is a perfect choice for setting up any action site. Then WebID has an easy to use administration panel and user friendly installation process, which allows you to have your own action site set up in minutes. Okay, now let us see how to install WebID on Linuxmint 3. Now here, before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, now first of all here we have to download the WebID package by using wget command. The download is going on. Then after downloading, we have to extract this download file by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now here we have to change ownership and permission for the WebID directory. Then we have to move the WebID directory into the /var/www/customl directory by using move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for WebID. So go to set available location. Now here we have to create web.conf file by using Vim editor. Now change in set mode. Now here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the web.conf file. Then we have to enable the read-write module. Then after enabling, we have to enter the host to file. Change in set mode. Here give your local IP. Then give your domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. Then after restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here it will show on WebID installation. Now first of all here we can see database setting. So here we have to fill the database detail. First of all here we have to give admin email address. Then we have to give database username. Then password. Then database name. Then scroll down. Then here we can see file checkers. Everything is fine. Now we have to click install. Then here we have to click step 2. Then now here we can see the installation is complete now. Then before login our admin page, rename the install directory. So go to terminal. Then again go to browser. Then if you want to log in our admin page, click here. Then here we can see create our admin credential. So here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click insert. Then here we can see login page of WebID. So here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of WebID. Thus you have seen how to install WebID on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.